Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to open ChatGPT account. So to open a ChatGPT account is a very simple and easy process. In order to do that, open your web browser and navigate to the chatgpt.com website. Once you are in your ChatGPT website, you will get to see the login or sign up option available there. Tap on the sign up or get started button on the home page. This is usually located in the middle of the screen. After you tap on the sign up option, you will be navigated to the signing up process. Now here, provide your email address and create a password. After that, check your email for a verification link from OpenAI and click the link to verify your email address. ChatGPT will send you a link in your Gmail address you have just provided, and you'll just have to click on the link and you'll be logged in successfully to your ChatGPT account. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.